Hi everyone! Happy Easter! I'll show you that again. Happy Easter! How are you? It's nice to see you. How's your Easter been? Uh-oh, look, sneaky little sneakster. I've just made some homemade hot cross buns, but I forgot to put the cross on the top of them, and I'm just going to have another Easter egg because I haven't been able to have enough. Did the Easter bunny come and see you? I hope so. Have you been going out and going for your walks and looking at the Easter eggs, or the Easter eggs that are coloured in on the windows or on the letterboxes or on the fences? There have been some really cool, lovely messages from a lot of the children in my neighbourhood. It's been really nice to go and see. So what I thought we could do today is we could learn the ABC in sign language. Sign language. So let's do it. And I'll try and remember the signs. Okay, you ready? Toru, fa. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Yay! Yay, Aya! Yeah! We did it! We did it! That was awesome. Well done, guys. Well done. Mwah. Yes. Oh, that was so good. Good kisses. All right, guys. Well, hopefully you can replay that now and you can practice it again. All right. It was nice to see you. Bye.